Today, we're going to explore a valuable feature in Microsoft Outlook. Whether it's for business or personal use, a well-crafted email signature can make a lasting impression. So, let's get started. Navigate to the File tab in the top left corner of Outlook. After that, select Options in the bottom left corner. Select Mail in the left sidebar of the Outlook options box. Then, in the Compose Messages area, select the Signatures button. Click the New button in the Signatures and Stationery window to add a new signature. Give your new signature a descriptive name. This will help you identify it if you have multiple signatures. Click OK. Now for the enjoyable part. You can build your signature in the Edit Signature section. You can add your name, title, and contact information, and even format it to your liking using various font styles and sizes. Don't forget to include any social media links or website URLs you want to share. If you want to make your signature look more professional, you can insert an image of your signature or the logo of your company. Simply click on the Insert Image button. Find your logo. Click on the image and then click on Insert. Perfect. If you have multiple signatures, you can set a default signature for new messages and replies and forwards. Select your preferred options from the drop-down menus. Click Save if you're satisfied with your signature. Close the Signature and Stationery window with OK and OK again. Now, when you click on New Email, you can see the signature is already there, and it looks gorgeous. Congratulations! You've just learned how to add a signature to your Outlook emails. A well-designed signature can enhance your professionalism and make your emails stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.